Assisting Paul 3 on the possible 417-2503. Glenstone. Alejandro is the subject's name. Alejandro. El Doggo Huerta. No doorbell? Got a camera, so you're left behind you.
Asian?
Huh?
Asian? Or Hispanic?
Hispanic. That's why I want you to translate it just in case. Check the cars and see if they're warm. Huh? They're all going to be warm. Gomez. Front door. Hello there.
Hi.
Hello. Is Alejandro here?
Who's that? Oh, Alex?
Yeah.
Alex is not. Is Delgado?
Yes, Delgado. Is he
Yeah, they lived here before. At
Okay.
this address.
Where do they live now? Do you know?
I don't know.
Are you
We
family
used
with
to
him?
rent him. No, we know him.
Okay.
Why? They
Well,
well, I know he goes to Newton, right?
Yeah.
Correct,
There's an
exactly.
incident at the school that we're trying to.
yeah. We want to make sure he's
Verify.
okay. So, do you have a way that we could get a hold of the parents?
But
or-
that happened today?
Yeah.
Good Lord. And there's no one, no parents answering?
No. So therefore, well,
We're
we
the
came out-
closest because we are always taking him to, like, he has like MMA fights and stuff. He's very
That's what I hear.
involved and we're like good friends with them.
But they're using your address, so that's the reason we're here.
Yes. Let's see.
Where does he live at?
Oh God,
Local?
he lives close, but I have his dad's number. Did you guys call him?
No.
You- No, but could we get his phone?
Get the
contact?
phone number. Yeah,
Let
get
me
the
see
phone
what
number for
phone
us.
number you have.
Let's see. I'm sorry, I was like,
No problem.
Oh God, because I didn't feel
No
good
problem.
and- excuse me.
Probably this Spanish. Be advised. You're correct address. What phone number do you have?
Let's see.
What's Dad's name?
I believe it's Nathan.
Nathan?
Yes.
Does he live with the student, with the juvie?
Yeah, they live together.
Hello there.
Okay, good.
Let's see.
Give me a second.
She's looking on her phone.
Oh, no, you can, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's see, 626, 434, 9768.
Okay. All right. That's the number I
Is that
have.
the same one?
Yeah, it just didn't have a name or anything.
So you
Okay.
don't know where they live at, ma'am?
We can call, do you want me to call them?
Well,
'Cause-
no, we'll take care
We'll,
of it.
we'll call.
We'll
We'll
call.
call.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank
all
you,
right,
ma'am.
you're welcome.
Yeah, don't you call them. You get them a little worried, so we'll call them.
All right.
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
You want to call Dad and see where they live?
We're not trying to give him so much information.
No, just tell them we need to talk to them. his son. It's the one circled.
You can circle 2.
Oh, 434. His dad's name's Nathan. Top one.
Hello, yes, hi, can I speak to the parents on Alejandro Huerta, please? Is this Nathan? Sir, it's Officer Gomez from Hacienda La Puente School Police. We're trying to locate your son. Do you know where he's at?
Right here in my house.
Okay, I need to speak with them, sir. Are you home right now?
No, wait, who's speaking?
It's Officer Gomez from Hacienda La Puente School Police, sir.
Police?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
So I need to speak to your son. I'm out here at your address here. Where in the system it shows 2 on Glenstone. You do not reside there. Okay, what is your address?
Okay, go ahead.
If possible, can you call me on the work phone?
Yeah. Well, first we got to find out what we find out today. He doesn't live at this house. We're on the phone with Dad, so we're trying to get to the house. Okay?
Yeah, that's correct, sir.
Okay? All right.
I'm on my way right now. Thank you.
Which one?
16896. Whitman.
Wickman.
Whitman, he said. Wickman.
Okay.
2 minutes away. That's the reason he was walking that way. Because he lives in La Puente.
Yeah, I was going to say. Okay, go. I'll follow you.
Property dispatch. We're route to 16. Stand by. Property dispatch, that's going to be 16896 Wakeman Drive. That's William Edward George Mary Adam Nora.
Hamburger Fresh Coffee, 16896 Wakeman Drive. Okay, night.
Gomez, is that the Heights or is that La Puente?
La Puente.
Hamburger Fresh Coffee.
Property dispatch, and be advised, per data, Juby's at home.
Good work.
Go. Which way are you going, Gomez? Why didn't we go down Quest to Turbo Canyon?
According to GPS, it's off Valley and Hacienda.
All right, 10-4. Are you sure? Wigman
It's fucking taking me to Stimson and then taking me. That's Rolling Unified. That's the reason he fucking.
Okay. Get in front of me. Let's get there quick. That's why I was saying going that way, because you might be going to a friend's house on the street.
No, he's at home.
Oh, he's at home. Okay. All right.
Make a right, Barbara. Molly first. Call 3, call 1. That's going to be a firm, sir. That's going to be a Rolling Unified area. It's going to be out Ferrero and Wigman.
All right. 10-4. If it's off Fierro, it's still possibly as ours. It would be a Workman High School.
Copy that. Call 3, call 1. Did call 6 give you the description of what we're looking for? Where was it at? Was it inside the backpack or on this?
In his backpack, it'd be a semi-auto, black.
Copy.
following up at another house for this 417 with Alejandro. Officer Gomez contacted Dad. The student is at home. So we're going to go check and see what he was showing everyone. Up to the house. It's on Wigman and La Puente. Wegman.
Padre, dispatch. 497. Apartment's going to be the house to the right, where the black Nexus at. Call 6 to call 3.
What the fuck, dude?
Go ahead, sir. Information only, sir. Are you 1029 hearing? I'm steps away, sir. Look over the traffic. Therefore, sir, just be advised, the backpack apparently has some type of shark design on it, and the description dispatch put out there is the exact description that the witnesses gave. Copy.
That house?
623. Be advised, the father is 1021 the vice principal here, sir. So just FYI.
Do not give father any information at this time.
I'll do that. Possibly dispatch. We're out of supply. Be advised, gated and we're unable to enter.
Alejandro? Is there...
Stand by.
Who are you, sir? Huh?
Him's that. I mean,
This week.
So you were on the phone to the school just now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did something happen over at the ice cream truck? Because we're getting a report that possibly you had a weapon on you? No?
I don't have no weapons.
You don't have any weapons? Can you go get his backpack?
Sure. Could we go ahead and see if, could I follow you into the room? Okay, can you open it for me?
There's a fence around.
Well, it's locked.
We're not accusing you of it. It's just, we got the report, so we're trying to clear you. Okay?
Your backpack.
Who would make something like this up?
I don't know. Everybody was just like, it was just a normal day of school. That's it.
What'd you have in your backpack?
Nothing. Just
Nothing?
books.
You weren't showing your backpack to anyone?
Well, I have $1,000 backpack, and that's the only thing that I was flexing.
$1,000? I hear you're a fighter, dude.
Yeah.
AMA?
Huh?
AMA?
MMA, Muay Thai.
MMA.
boxing.
Good?
Yeah.
Pretty
Amateur
good,
pro.
huh? Huh?
Amateur pro.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Okay, so why would somebody have anything, would anybody have anything against you that would,
Probably my backstory, because 7th grade, I would like going up to people and like ask if they wanted to fight, and then
okay, I'm going to be straight out forward. What they're saying is you had a gun in your backpack. Did you have a BB gun, anything?
Nope, not at all.
No?
Nah.
And your backpack's got a shark on it or something?
No.
What's it got on it?
MCM, it's the brand. Just that.
It's one of those MCM backpacks, and there's tabs on the side, right in that side, metal tabs.
Okay. Well, we're not trying to get you in trouble. We want to clear you as much as possible. Because according to the assistant principal, you're an awesome guy. He's even actually gone to see your fights.
Yeah.
I told him, I want to go, man. I want to go see a fight.
So if I get cleared, everything's okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because I thought something happened and someone reported me or something, but nah, I didn't bring nothing to school.
Okay. Does Dad have any guns?
No. Yes. Huh?
Have a seat. I'm Officer Gomez, okay? You met my corner, okay? I don't need you to lie to me, okay? I know you're what, 14, 15?
13.
You're 13 years old, okay? You got a lot, okay, to lose to me, okay? Number one, you got two little ones. I know you're an MMA fighter, right? You like to fight, okay? Hopefully you rank up to become something.
He's pretty good too, I hear.
up in the, when you become an adult, you're able to really enter MMA, okay? A few of your friends, you showed something to them today, okay? Don't BS me, okay? If it was a toy, let me know where it's at. I need to check it, I need to hold it, and I'll be out of your house. If you lie to me, okay, what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna have everybody step out of this house. I'm gonna bring a canine dog in here, and I'm gonna search this house directly with the dog. Number one, it's gonna make your parents uncomfortable. It's gonna make your siblings uncomfortable, and it's gonna put you in trouble. Understand that? What did you show to your friends?
Well, I didn't show them nothing, but 7th grade, I just had like photos of me holding a BB gun, and that's it.
Okay.
I don't have nothing.
Did you show those pictures today?
No.
Okay.
Okay, let me see the BB gun photos that you were showing.
Well,
You're recording too, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not gonna be able to record
No,
that.
it was.
I need you to delete that video from me too. Okay.
Alright.
No, okay, we're not gonna be playing that game, okay? That you're gonna post this on Facebook or Instagram, okay? You're not Mr. Cool guy right now, okay? Give me your phone.
Okay, so like we were talking outside, what did you show? You showed something, because we have more than one witness. Okay? We also talked to the ice cream man. Okay, so what did you show?
Well, I didn't show them nothing.
Did you open up your backpack? No?
I mean, half of the day was open, but no, I didn't have nothing.
No, at the ice cream truck we're talking
No,
about.
it was closed.
Where's the rest of your pictures? Unlock your photo and show me your pictures. And actually go to your delete album too. I need you to wipe everything on your delete regarding us.
Sir, do you have any guns in the house?
No, just my baby gun.
You have a BB gun?
Yeah, my rifle.
Okay.
A rifle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
¿Es de juguete o?
Ya, juguete, de aire. Era
Is that
porque-
the one you were showing your friends?
Which one?
No, I'm telling you, the BB gun that your dad's
Oh,
talking.
yes.
Okay. Go with them and check out that BB gun, and I need to show it out too. We're gonna take a picture and send it out to.
Okay. We're trying to clear your son too, because he
sure,
seems like a good kid. Oh, he's not gonna fit that in the backpack.
No, absolutely not.
See, and he told me nobody's got anything against him, he was telling me.
Meeting that a few days ago, he shared a photo with, among other friends, where he was holding.
Yeah, when I come here, I got a lot of coyotes outside. That's why.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I don't want to screw up his fighting career.
I'm still not here.
Are you fight too?
Before.
Oh. No way, dude. This is a rifle, big long rifle.
It's an armor. Oh no, you didn't have that in your backpack. Okay. So start talking, man. Okay, like I said, you didn't show that to your friends. Okay.
Well, 7th grade, I used to have me posted with BB gun, but that's
Okay, but this was
You,
today.
you showed something today
No, I
because we got 3 or 4 people saying it.
You don't have camera in the area?
Somebody else have it and show
Hay
it?
muchos niños que están diciendo que yo lo miré. So, no es como una persona, son varios que andan diciendo él lo tenía. ¿Dónde? Voy a chequear su Instagram, voy a chequear todo eso.
Okay, está bien.
¿Cómo él vino acá a la casa? ¿Cómo vino? ¿Mande?
Yo lo recogí.
¿Su carro? She said the mom picked him up. You go check the car?
No.
Huh?
No, I think
Hey.
You can go check the room then. Check the phone. You see? ¿Me da permiso de chequear el cuarto?
I'll hold the phone. You can check it.
¿A dónde? ¿Vas a comer? ¿Quieres comer?
Okay, I'm gonna go back again. Why would somebody have something against you? Because people just don't make things up all the time. They're either doing it because they think you're an ass or something, dude, and which you don't appear to be, or you piss somebody off. Okay, or you're showing off and you do have something. Okay, this can mess you up. And is that your coach?
Nah, that's Caleb. I don't know his last name, but he's a pro boxing.
Oh, because I know a guy that does this. His name's Eddie Bernal.
I think I know him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Possibly dispatch. We're out at the front. Be advised, it's gated and we're unable to enter.
Copies.
Stand by. We're making contact outside.
Huh? Means that. It means.
With su hijo. Okay.
So you were on the phone with school just now? Okay. Did something happen over at the ice cream truck? Because we're getting a report that possibly you had a weapon on you.
Okay, so
You don't have any weapons? Can you go get his backpack?
Could we go ahead and see? Check? Can I follow you into the room? Okay. Can you open it for me?
There's a fence over there.
Well, it's locked.
We're not accusing you of it. It's just, we got the report, so we're trying to clear you.
Where's your backpack at? Okay. Stay out with my partner, please. Part 3 dispatch. Entering the house. Part 1 is outside with the baby.
Yeah, mommy.
What's this, man? Mira, habla español, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí.
Mira, hubo información que él le enseñó esa mochila con a otros compañeros y que tenía una pistola. Es la razón que estamos aquí. Los jóvenes no los van a mentir. Eso es preferible. Si era de juguete, eso es juguete. Pero necesitamos ver exactamente qué es lo que él enseñó a los amigos. Porque no solamente fue una persona, fue varias personas. Si podemos meterlo adentro de la casa y hablar con él, es preferible porque no está ahí. Paul 3, Paul 6, confirming that it's going to be a black backpack. It's one of those MCM backpacks. And there's tabs on the side, right and left side, metal tabs. Where are you going, sir? ¿Dónde va a ir, señor? Excuse me. What are you doing?
Parando mi style, no.
Okay. You need to let me know, sir.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay. Sorry.
Yeah, let me know. No.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Yeah, you're opening doors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, está bien. Sorry.
Yeah, no. Solo dígame lo que está haciendo porque está abriendo cajones.
No. Yo con la style, no.
Sí. Si lo podemos entrar acá para que tenga más privacidad.
¿Qué pasó?
Ahorita le explico, señora, pero ojalá que sea algo que no serio, pero ahorita le explicamos. Have a seat, Alex. I'm Officer Gomez, okay? You met my partner, okay? I don't need you to lie to me, okay? I know you're what, 14, 15?
13.
You're 13 years old, okay? You got a lot, okay, to lose in here, okay? Number one, you got 2 little ones. I know you're an MMA fighter, right? You like to fight, okay? Hopefully you rank up to become some, up in the, when you become an adult, you're able to really enter MMA, okay? Few of your friends, you showed something to them today, okay? Don't BS me, okay? If it was a toy, let me know where it's at. I need to check it, I need to hold it, and I'll be out of your house. If you lie to me, okay, what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna have everybody step out of this house. I'm gonna bring a canine dog in here, and I'm gonna search this house directly with the dog. Number one, it's gonna make your parents uncomfortable. It's gonna make your siblings uncomfortable, and it's gonna put you in trouble. Understand that? What did you show to your friends?
Well, I didn't show them nothing, but 7th grade, I just had like photos of me holding a BB gun, and that's it.
Okay.
I don't have nothing.
So,
you show those pictures today?
No.
okay, let me see the BB gun photos that you were showing. You're recording too, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not gonna be able to record that, but I need you to delete that video for me too. Okay. Okay. We're not gonna be playing that game. Okay. That you're gonna post this on Facebook or Insta. Okay. You're not Mr. Cool guy right now. Okay. Give me your phone. ¿Me lo puede borrar eso? Es lo que está haciendo, lo quiere grabar para ponerlo en la internet.
You showed something, because we have more than one.
Él cree que
Okay. We also talked to the ice cream man. Okay, so what did you show?
Well, I didn't show them nothing.
Did you open up your backpack?
sabía que él
No?
I mean, after the day was open, but no, I didn't have nothing.
No, at the ice cream truck.
Oh,
you go back?
no, it was closed.
Where are the rest of your pictures? Unlock your photo and show me your pictures. And actually go to your delete album too. I need you to wipe everything on your delete regarding us.
Sir, do you have any guns in the house?
No, just my baby gun.
You have a BB gun?
Yeah, my rifle.
Okay.
A rifle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
¿Es de juguete o?
Yeah, juguete, de aire. Era
Is that the one you were showing your friends?
Which one?
No, I'm telling you, the BB gun that your dad's
Oh,
talking.
yeah.
Okay. Go with them and check out that BB gun, and I need to show it out too. We're gonna take a picture of it and send it out to Barbara. I mean to
Nah, but I didn't show him nothing. Like, it's because 7th grade, I would always have me posted with the BB gun. And, like, I didn't show him nothing today, so.
Part 3 dispatch, be advised, contacted the juvie, and he's denying that a 417 was not shown. However, is admitting that a few days ago he shared a photo with, among other friends, where he was holding a BB gun. Unlock it for me again. Where's that video of us that you were recording?
Sure.
Should be in the bottom. Right there.
Okay.
This one?
No, you had a video. You had.
No, yeah, I did. I just recorded it.
No, wait, this is a rifle. Belong.
It's a llama. Oh no, you didn't have that in your backpack. Okay. So start talking, man. Okay, like I said, you didn't show that to your friends. Okay.
Well, 7th grade, I used to have me posted with BB gun, but that's
Okay, but this was today.
You showed something today
Oh, I
because we got 3 or 4 people saying it.
The camera in the area?
Somebody else have it?
Hay muchos niños que están diciendo que yo lo miré. Él, so no es como una persona, son varios que andan diciendo él lo tenía. ¿Dónde? Voy a chequear su Instagram, voy a chequear todo eso. Okay. ¿Cómo él vino acá a la casa? ¿Cómo vino? ¿Mande?
Yo lo recogí.
¿Su carro? She said that mom picked him up. Should we go check the car? Let me go check the room then. Check the phone. You see? ¿Me da permiso de chequear el cuarto? Okay. Él no tiene rifle ni nada aquí, juguetes, nada de... ¿Nunca se ha metido en problemas ni nada?
Nope. He's always doing his training.
So why would... But did you see the photos he was taking on himself, his stance and everything? Excuse me. ¿Él dónde duerme? ¿Arriba o abajo?
Abajo. Ahí tiene las cosas de boxing and all those things.
Lo único que queremos que coopere ya.
No, sí. You know what? I talked to him a lot. Trust me. Tiene una carrera enfrente muy grande y esto es lo último que necesitamos.
Exactamente, eso es preferible para que él mismo... Permiso.
No, suyo.
It's not in your room. Well, just you got a lot of areas in your room, young man. So I need you to be honest, man. Okay? We were not born yesterday. Okay? I know you're afraid. I know you're concerned what's going to happen to me. Okay? Do you rather go ahead and start for me to start making those calls, or you prefer just saying, you know what, officers, dad, mom, I messed up, and this is what I did, and we're out of here. Okay? But if you continue lying, you're only going to get yourself more in trouble, man. Okay?
I told somebody I had nothing happened. I don't know why they were accusing me of stuff. I went to the ice cream truck to get food, that's all. And I don't know why no one's accusing me of stuff.
Here you go, son.
You have no enemies. Again, I'll ask.
Who still likes me?
Who was at the ice cream truck with you?
A lot of people.
Okay. Give me some names.
You didn't go to the ice cream because I talked to the ice cream man.
He was at the ice cream truck.
You were at the ice cream shop?
Yeah.
That's the first friend he got in the life. The ice cream truck. I know him forever.
Okay, who was with you at the ice cream truck?
There was a student named Ryder.
Ryder?
Yep. And then Maya. It was,
Maya's a girl?
Yeah. It was Isabella.
Who are those people over at the other house?
Avery,
What other house?
The other the address where you have.
Oh, we lived there before.
Okay.
A-V-E-R-Y. And then we have some sisters. I don't know their name, but there was like a group.
Who's this? There was an individual with you with long hair.
Was
Long pony hair, long hair.
red hair?
A boy.
A boy?
Yeah.
Oh, his name's Ryder.
Who?
That's Ryder.
That's Ryder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any gear with the red hair?
No, I don't think so.
Estaba
So
ahí?
what do you want to know?
Estaba visiting the Los Altos.
Okay, just watch a crew that you're hanging around then, dude. You clear?
Yeah.
Just watch a group that you're hanging around because somebody reported you. I don't know why they reported you. Okay? I think you're being honest with us. Okay? And especially with your dad here. Because I think you'd have to deal with him more than you'd have to deal with us. And you got a career, dude.
The school's gonna be calling you and letting you know. I'm not sure what kind of what they're gonna be doing out of this, but we're gonna be leaving out of this way.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay?
All right, sir. Thank you.
All right.
No
Thank you, sir.
problem. No problem. Thank you. You know what? I believe in him.
Okay.
What he said because we talked to him, working with him. Let me show you something. Because I know that too. That's him. We're working a lot with him in Muay Thai and boxing and MMA.
Okay.
Man,
Awesome.
we're working honest and
Yeah, he's straight
This
up told
thing-
me that I have too much to lose.
yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
That's
Good for him.
the last Friday in Vegas.
Wow.
Oh, at the Allegiant? That's the one at the Allegiant.
Wow.
Man, and I'm believing him. I believe in him that
Yeah,
the group.
The assistant principal told me he went and saw him fight.
When? How did you start?
Him?
Yeah.
When he about 6 years old.
6 years old.
You started him? How long did you fight?
Huh? Just 2 years.
2 years. And he's doing better than you, huh?
Oh yeah, he's the champion. I want to represent La Fuente one day at work, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Let me know.